Kurumirira muhuhu uria ukoretwo kuo kuma ira wa ati maabitha a borithi aria makinyitie mathomo ma degree ni megukorwo makirengwo micara, thirikari kugera minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i niagiire kiene muhuhu uyu na handu hake eranira miikarire na mirutire yao ya wira ni kugacirithio.
I agree and I want to be a honest public servant. I think we need to improve the conditions of our police officers. That one we need to do. And what is interesting about this is that all of us are aligned on this. The president is very committed to this. There is nothing the president pays attention to more these days in security than paying attention to the welfare of our police officers.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mutaratara wa gwakira maabitha a borithi nyumba mwena wa kigumo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, Matiang'i niaugire makinya ni megutacukio ma gutheria ruhonge rwa borithi hatari kumairiria kana guthutukania.
Na haya mambo mengine yanazungumziwa, hata haya tulikuwa tunazungumza hapa siku 2-3 zimepita kuhusu welfare, mshahara ya wale wengine 1,400. Hiyo ni maneno madogo. Hata tumekubaliana na Inspector General na National Police Service Commission na PS. We will sort that out. And I can assure you, in a few weeks time, we will even arrange and clean up that HR system at the police department.
These are the ones we said. If they have been entered into the system illegally, we will stop the payment until a human resource audit is carried out.
Maya mokite oriri Ayub Mathenge na Oscar Ngelesa mathiete igoti-ini magithitanga kamiti ya kuramata mihango ya borithi, munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet na munene wa watho makienda itua ria kurenga micara ya maabitha a borithi ireteanirio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitha Kamau wa Mwangi.